What's up, you guys? It's Graham. What's up, you guys? It's Graham. What's up, Graham? It's Guys here. So let's talk about how much you really need invested to live entirely off the dividend.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've wondered how Graham Stephan really makes money. Today, we're diving deep into the untold truth behind his hidden earnings. Brace yourself for some eye-opening revelations. First things first, Graham Stephan is not just your average YouTuber. Sure, he's got a massive following, but that YouTube ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. Graham is an astute real estate investor, and it's in this arena that he truly thrives. Graham has an uncanny ability to identify undervalued properties, transforming them into lucrative investments. He uses his experience and knowledge to analyze markets, finding those hidden gems that others overlook. But it doesn't stop there. Graham executes these renovations with impeccable attention to detail. His expertise and design sense truly shine through, adding substantial value to each property. From kitchen remodels to stunning makeovers, Graham knows how to maximize profits. And let's not forget about the power of cash flow. Graham understands the importance of passive income streams, and he's built an impressive portfolio of rental properties. By carefully selecting prime locations and managing his properties efficiently, Graham enjoys a steady stream of income every month. But Graham isn't just about real estate. He's a savvy entrepreneur, constantly looking for innovative ways to diversify his income. From affiliate marketing to sponsorships, he's always thinking ahead and exploring new opportunities. One of his secrets to success lies in his ability to share his knowledge with others. Graham has written a book, providing valuable insights into real estate investing. By monetizing his expertise, he's able to reach even more people and further expand his income streams. In this digital age, Graham knows the importance of a strong online presence. He leverages his massive following across different platforms, partnering with brands and companies to create sponsored content. This strategic approach allows him to generate additional income while providing valuable content to his audience. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Graham's hidden earnings is his ability to inspire and educate others. Through mentorship programs and live events, Graham empowers others to achieve financial independence. Not only is he making a positive impact on people's lives, but he's also generating revenue through these ventures. So, there you have it, the untold truth about Graham Stephan's hidden earnings. His success lies not only in his YouTube channel but also in his real estate investments, passive income streams, entrepreneurial ventures, and his ability to inspire and educate others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content.